Ever feel like you're playing phone tag with your leads, spending way too much time trying to nail down a meeting time? I know I have. It's frustrating, inefficient, and honestly, a huge waste of everyone's precious time. Think about it. All those emails back and forth, the scheduling conflicts, the mental energy spent just trying to find a 15-minute slot that works for both of you. It's a nightmare. But what if I told you there was a better way? A way to reclaim your time, streamline your scheduling process, and make booking meetings as easy as clicking a button? Well, there is, and it's called HubSpot Scheduler. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of HubSpot Scheduler, a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you book meetings. Whether you're a sales rep, a marketer, or anyone who regularly schedules appointments, HubSpot Scheduler can be a game changer. We're going to cover everything you need to know, from setting up your account to customizing your meeting links and integrating it with your existing tools. So, if you're ready to ditch the scheduling headaches and embrace a more efficient way of booking meetings, then stick around. First things first, what exactly is HubSpot Scheduler? Simply put, it's a scheduling tool that lets people book meetings with you directly, without the back-and-forth emails. You set your availability, share your scheduling link, and your invitees choose a time that works for them. It's that simple. No more phone tag, no more endless email chains, just seamless, effortless scheduling. Now, let's walk through the setup process. If you already have a HubSpot account, you're halfway there. If not, you can easily sign up for a free HubSpot CRM account, which includes access to the basic scheduling features. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales drop-down menu and select Meetings. This will take you to the main scheduling dashboard. Here, you'll see a few key options. First, you'll want to connect your calendar. HubSpot integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and Apple Calendar. This is crucial because it allows HubSpot to check your real-time availability and prevent double bookings. Simply select your calendar provider and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Next, you'll want to customize your meeting types. HubSpot allows you to create different meeting types, each with its own duration, location, and description. For example, you might have a 15-minute introductory call, a 30-minute product demo, and a 1-hour consultation. For each meeting type, you can set the duration, choose a location, either virtual or in person, and write a brief description that will be displayed to your invitees. You can also customize the meeting link itself, making it more professional and memorable. Now, let's talk about availability. This is where you tell HubSpot when you're available to take meetings. You can set your working hours for each day of the week, and you can even specify buffer times between meetings to give yourself a break. This ensures that you're never overbooked and that you have enough time to prepare for each meeting. Once you've configured your meeting types and availability, it's time to create your scheduling link. This is the link that you'll share with your leads and customers, allowing them to book meetings with you directly. You can customize the link to reflect your brand, making it easy for people to recognize and remember. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you've created your scheduling link, you can share it in a variety of ways. You can include it in your email signature, add it to your website, or even share it on social media. When someone clicks on your link, they'll be taken to a page where they can see your available meeting times and choose one that works for them. Once they've booked a meeting, both you and the invitee will receive a confirmation email with all the details. But HubSpot Scheduler is more than just a simple scheduling tool. It's also integrated with the rest of the HubSpot platform, allowing you to track your meetings, manage your contacts, and even automate follow-up tasks. For example, you can set up workflows to automatically send a reminder email to your invitee before the meeting, or to create a task for yourself to follow up after the meeting. Another great feature of HubSpot Scheduler is its ability to integrate with other tools you might be using. For example, you can integrate it with your CRM, your video conferencing software, and even your payment gateway. This allows you to streamline your entire sales process and make it even more efficient. Now, let's talk about some best practices for using HubSpot Scheduler. First, make sure your availability is always up to date. This will prevent people from trying to book meetings with you when you're not available. Second, customize your meeting links to make them more professional and memorable. Third, use the meeting descriptions to provide context and information to your invitees. Fourth, Take advantage of the integrations with other tools to streamline your sales process. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. One of the most common questions I get is, how much does HubSpot Scheduler cost? Well, the good news is that the basic scheduling features are included in the free HubSpot CRM. However, if you want access to more advanced features, such as team scheduling and round-robin scheduling, you'll need to upgrade to a paid HubSpot Sales Hub plan. But even the free version is a powerful tool that can significantly improve your scheduling process. So, there you have it, a comprehensive overview of HubSpot Scheduler. We've covered everything from setting up your account to customizing your meeting links and integrating it with your existing tools. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to start using HubSpot Scheduler to streamline your scheduling process and reclaim your time. Remember, efficient scheduling is key to productivity and success. By using HubSpot Scheduler, you can free up valuable time and focus on what matters most, building relationships and closing deals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.